This is a Raycial vacuum sealer to keep your food fresh. Keeps your food fresh 8 times longer and is BPA free. Let's try it out. Plastic bags. This is a vacuum sealer. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use the vacuum sealer. I've already gone and plugged it in. It's just one power cord, super simple. I'm going to take one of these pre-sized bags that they give you, and I'm going to seal an apple. You probably would want to use this for chicken or something else perishable, but today I'm just using an apple. Put it in the bag. Want to open it up, and this bag should go up front here in the vacuum sealing chamber. That's where you want the bag to go, right down in there. And we'll close it. And you'll hear 2 clicks, and that's how you know it's super closed. And then I'm gonna hit dry. And now it's lighting up seal. So it's sealing the bag now. And when the lights are off, you know it's done. You click the 2 buttons on the side to unlock it. And you got a nice sealed bag of whatever kind of food you want to put in there. It works really well. It's a good seal. No air getting out or in. And that is the Raycial food sealer.